Guys, if you're a homeowner and a DIYer, this is the only tool you're going to need if you want to properly flush your condensate drain line on your AC unit. Stay with me in this video. I'm going to show you what it is, how it works, and how you guys can clean your drain like a professional in under 10 minutes. All right, let's get at it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. To all my longtime subscribers, welcome back. And if you guys are new here, please, if you find this helpful, hit that subscribe button so you guys can follow me on all my DIY content and my DIY journey, including all things DIY around the house, reviews, tips, tricks, all that cool stuff. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my condensate drain line, and I want to show you guys a little tool that I use and I keep handy with me. A lot of you guys mentioned in my comments below before on my other video of how I flush my drain line with my little PVC attachment, that you find it a little daunting and you're worried about the pipes exploding and all kind of stuff. So in today's video, I thought I'd share with you another technique that I use, and you only need this, and if you guys have a shop vac. Now, if you guys do not have a shop vac, it's one of the things I do recommend as a homeowner that you do have. This thing comes in handy. You're going to use it all the time. Before I get into this PVC drain adapter, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about your symptoms and how you can know if your condensate drain line needs to be cleaned. There are two ways you can tell that you need to flush your drain line. And one is the obvious one, that there's water leaking from your unit and it's leaking all around either your plenum area or on your attic ceiling if you have your unit in your attic or wherever it is. If it is leaking from there, then you know you're going to need to flush your drain line. However, there's another way you can tell that you may need to have to flush your drain line. Let me show you. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If you guys have a float switch like this on your unit, then what's going to happen is that whenever your drain line is clogged, it's going to shut off your unit. And if you have this wired to your thermostat correctly, your thermostat is going to be blank. So if you have a blank thermostat, nothing on the screen, or your unit isn't working even though it's calling for cooling, chances are your drain line is clogged. And now I'll show you the adapter, how it works, and how easy it is to flush your drain line. All right, now the way this thing works is pretty cool. It comes in a small package like this, so you can store it on your shelf or wherever you want. And all it is comes with an adapter piece like this, a clear hose, which goes in to the slot like this. Fit it in nice and snug. And once you got it in, you can go ahead and put your 90 adjustable on the end. And that's pretty much it. If you guys notice, there are various sizes on the back side of your adapter, and this is meant to fit your vacuum or your shop vac or whatever it is. You just insert it on this side, and this side here is going to go into your PVC drain on the exterior of your house. Now let's go ahead, hook it up, and let me show you exactly what I'm talking about and just how easy it is to do. All right, once we're outside by our unit, you want to locate your condensate drain that's outside of your on the outside of your house. It should look like this. Sometimes they come out of the wall. Whatever it is, you want to locate it. And all you really need to do is you want to plug in your shop vac to a nearby outlet. And next, just connect your adapter. Make sure it's nice and snug. And then you want to go ahead and push the other end up inside your PVC. Some case you may want to hold it a little bit. But once you have it nice and snug, the only thing left to do is go ahead and turn on your shop vac. While the vacuum is running, you can notice that all the water is coming out and you can see through the clear tube. And all you need to do is let that sit and run for 5 minutes or so. And once it's done, you can shut your shop vac off and you should have a clean condensate drain and your AC unit should be running again.
A few moments later.
Once you're done, you can go ahead and turn off your shop vac and you can remove your adapter, and let's look at all the gunk that it collected. Once you're done vacuuming all the gunk out of your condensate drain line, this is what you're going to have, and you can dump the water out. You can see here we got some stuff floating around in here. It's not too bad, but yours may be worse than this. Trust me, you'll be surprised at how much nastiness is going to come out of your condensate drain once you hook this thing up. And once you're done, you can just go ahead, empty your bucket, and then you'll be ready for another vacuuming whenever your drain line needs to be cleaned again. And just like that, you guys, that's it. That's how easy it is to flush your condensate drain. I hope you guys found this helpful. And if you guys want to pick one of these things up, links are in the description. You guys know where to find it. But definitely having one of these in your toolbox or around your house is going to save you a bunch of time whenever you want to flush your condensate drain. It's a pretty simple, easy tool. All you need is a shop vac or some sort of vacuum that can, some sort of wet vac that will vacuum out your drain line. And that's pretty much it. 5 minutes of your time and you're good to go. Once again, hope you guys found it helpful. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to all things that I do DIY. Apart from that, that's it, guys. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.